Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk about Email Monster, and this is by Rudy Rudra, and it's due to be released on 30th of August at 11 AM Eastern. Now this is a email application that is an autoresponder with a little bit of an added twist. Apparently they've got an email extractor in here that's going to find you the most converted emails in 30 seconds flat. So lots of promises on this sales page. I'm going to come back to this sales page, but basically they're saying that this is a very, very good email responder. It's going to have high delivery rates, unlimited emails you can send, sensational open rates, so that's a slight typo, inbuilt SMTP server, the usual stuff on here, but I will come back to the sales page. What I want to do is refer to the actual demo video to show you inside the software. Now I am going to give you an alternative to this because I do think this is maybe something you don't need, but stick around. I'll show you inside and you can come to your own conclusions. So guys, what we have here basically is a very, very simple interface. You've got some sending credits on here, recently sent campaigns, and then you have some lists underneath here. Now what I do notice, the sending credits suggest to me they're going to be charging for this in some way, and there is a upsell on this that is about unlimited emails. So it just suggests they're going to be trying to charge you for a certain amount of credits to be able to use this. Now again, I'm going to show you an alternative that doesn't do that. So you have some various other stats on here and some activity logs down here. And next up we have the ability to create a campaign. Now when you go into this, you can either create a regular campaign or a plain text campaign. This is basically the type of email that you want to create. There's also the ability to create automations on here, which won't actually be that complex. And then you have the ability to create lists. Again, nothing unusual for autoresponders. And then you get into the template piece. Now they did say on the sales page there's many, many high quality templates. When I actually look to the templates, what you get is these kind of just layout type templates, which I didn't think were that good. And you have these 3 themes here. Now when I show you my alternative, there's many, many more themes that you could possibly have. But basically they had just these 3. And you can upload your own apparently. And then they showed you this email extractor. Now basically this is going to go and scrape the web for emails. So the idea is you put some kind of keyword in here and it's going to scrape the web for emails. Now what I found on here is if you look at some of these sites that it's scraped and then look at the emails, they do say these are going to be the highest converting emails. Look at the emails it's bringing back. This is a help email for this one. This is a team email for this one. Then another help email. Then a nonsense email from this nerd wallet. Unblocked request email. None of these are actually real people. They're all just BS emails that they're getting back, because most of these are coming from the website's support pages if they're going to put their email on there, and they're all going to be to their support folks. None of them are going to be to folks that are actually going to buy anything off you. This kind of email extraction services, most of them are BS, guys. You're not going to get many good emails out of them. I've seen them done on LinkedIn and places like that, and again, it's kind of not the right place to find buyers, but this is just nonsense. When you get lots of emails like this, you send an email to any of these like help@makemoney.tech, you're not going to get anybody responding to it. It's just complete nonsense. So that's a waste of time, and basically you're not going to get any leads off these. So guys, that's basically it. It's just a very, very simple email system. Now what I do recommend, if you want to find a email autoresponder, you're probably better off using something like GetResponse. Now GetResponse is free up to 500 subscribers. Over 30 days you also get a lot of their advanced tools within here. For that you get a very, very high quality email autoresponder for free up to 500 subscribers. And once you get 500 subscribers, if you understand how to build a business with affiliate marketing, and by the way guys, if you want to learn how to build a business with affiliate marketing, I got a completely free affiliate bootcamp for you. Go ahead and hit the link in the description below and go and grab that. This is going to teach you everything you need to know about starting an affiliate marketing business. But to have any kind of affiliate marketing business, you need an email list and you need a very, very good quality autoresponder. And the one that I use and always recommend guys is GetResponse. I'll leave a link to this below, completely up to you. You can use Aweber as well. They got a free program. GetResponse I really like. If I just log in and I'll show you some of the templates for this. Basically, once you've logged in, you can get all sorts of tools on here. You can get website builders, landing pages. You can build one website, which is why I always recommend this. If you can't afford to build a website, you can use something like GetResponse for free and build one. All of this is really cool, but if I want to go ahead and just do a quick email, you can see on here there's all of these pre-designed templates that you can use. So when I compare it to that other piece of software, which is $17 plus all the upsells you're going to have to get, it is completely pointless to purchase that. You can use all of these, or you can use HTML editors. You've got blank templates. You can use your existing messages. There's such more variety on a tool that's well established like GetResponse, and it's going to offer all the deliverability you need. It's not down to the software, guys. A lot of deliverability is down to your reputation on the emails, how many people are sending in spam complaints, what type of words you use in emails. There's so much more than just using some software that they're claiming has got great deliverability rates. The point is you can get this completely for free. Now, when I jump back to the sales page, the other reason I wouldn't buy anything off these guys is if you just look at their testimonials down here. It's something it's kind of a pet thing of mine. I always look at testimonials to see who they are. Steve Wick and David, these guys have an interesting testimonial on here. I just have a quick look who they are. And Steve Wick is a stock image. Obviously that's nonsense. And then David, I know, is an AI generated image, because I've seen David's picture a million times before, and of course they're not called David. So these are completely made up, and the other reason I know they're made up, and it's not just somebody who's shy and just want to use their image, which is something I heard on a Warrior Plus forum the other day, which is complete nonsense. Basically they're making these up. Tool Monster is a fresh and amazing. I've been part of this online space for 6 years. As soon as I logged into the system with my beta access, I was sure that this was the big one. As soon as I logged in with my access, I was sure this was the big one. This is a different product called Tool Monster. You can see that in the menu right there. And then SEO Monster, same vendor. And again, guys, remember these are different products. As soon as I logged into the system with my beta access, I was sure this was the big one. And the same there. So guys, they're making up testimonials. The software is pointless. You don't need to use it. You can use something like GetResponse Aweber completely for free. Avoid this vendor. He's going to lie to you on a sales page. Why would he ever give you any kind of good support? Definitely don't buy this. I hope that's valuable to you guys. If you're interested in these types of honest reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And don't forget, guys, if you're really serious and you want to try and build a business online with affiliate marketing, maybe you're confused, maybe you're stuck, maybe you really want to find a way to actually make money online, go ahead and hit that link in the description below over to School Nomads, and you'll get a free bootcamp there that'll really help you, and you can get started with straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.